Welcome to my kitchen. My name is Stephanie and I am a classically trained pastry chef and the owner of a boutique bakery in New Jersey. Today I'll be sharing with you my vanilla cake recipe. This makes a super moist cake and it's also my base recipe for making other cakes such as lemon flavored, lime flavored, etc. You may use a hand mixer or a stand mixer for this because I won't be creaming any butter. So let's go ahead and get started making this cake. I've pre-measured all of my ingredients for the cake recipe. I have in this bowl combined 390 grams of all-purpose flour, or 3 cups. I have 2½ teaspoons of baking powder and 1/2 teaspoon of salt. 1½ teaspoons of vanilla extract, 400 grams of granulated sugar, or 2 cups, 4 eggs at room temperature, 2/3 cup of whole milk at room temperature, and 2/3 cup of vegetable oil. First in my bowl, I'll add my granulated sugar and my room temperature eggs, and mix this on medium speed for about 2 minutes. Once the sugar and the eggs are light and fluffy, I'm going to add my vanilla extract and mix that for just about 10 seconds. So first, I'll add 1/3 of the flour mixture and fold this in. Next, I'll add 1/2 of my oil and milk mixture. And now the second third of my flour. Now the remaining oil and milk. And finally, the last addition of the flour mixture. Now the batter is ready to pour into the pans and bake my cake. This recipe will make 2 8-inch cakes. My oven is preheated to 275 degrees, so I'll put the cakes in for 15 minutes. After that, I will increase the temperature to 350 degrees and bake for an additional 20 to 30 minutes, or until a toothpick inserted into the center of the cake comes out clean. The vanilla cake is cooled, unmolded, ready to be iced, filled, and decorated, and of course, eaten. Please check out my buttercream recipes, which go beautifully with this cake. You can find them on my blog and also on my YouTube channel. Thank you for joining. I hope you enjoy this recipe. If so, please give me a thumbs up below and feel free to comment. Have a great day.